All right, so if you want to deactivate CA glue, cyanoacrylate, or also known as crazy glue, you got a tire like this. So now the tire is glued to the rim with CA glue. You take your tire, put in a container of acetone. Doesn't even have to be filled all the way. The fumes are going to reach actually the top of the tire and deactivate the glue. So this was put in a container with some acetone, filled it up to about halfway up the rim, put a lid on it, put in there for about 12 hours, and then what's going to happen is your glue is completely deactivated. The tire will just come right off. Now that white that you see, I think that is some methacrylate adhesive gluing this ring on the edge of the rim, which I had to do to expand the diameter to make this tire fit. It's not actually designed for this rim. It's actually the Schumacher Venom 114 buggy rim, just designed for a standard 1/8 buggy size rim, and they are put on some Ofna MT3, what are they? The max sized 3.2 rims. Well, good luck.